Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I think it's very clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. This big impulsive move down very likely is the end of a wave 3 and the beginning of a wave 4. I think this is very likely probably going to make a very overlapping corrective, probably three-way pattern down to one of these two Fibonacci levels, like the 156 or 150 area, to finish off a wave 4. And then I think we are going to make one more attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. But this is the monthly time frame, and this could take, 8 months to a year to play out. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, very impulsive moved out, as you can see. I still think this is likely a wave A of wave 4, and I think it's still possible that we may actually get another push down in this wave A. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's definitely been drifting up for quite some time now, but the trend is definitely still down on the daily. The last structure level is actually way up here, and to me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think could be a wave 4. I still think it could go down again for a wave 5, and this is all still just a wave A of wave 4 on the weekly, monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here. I think there's a good chance this is an A. I think there's a wave B in here, and I think we are likely already in that wave C. So I'm watching the 61% very closely, and maybe even the 78%. I think one of these two levels, it is going to bounce very strong, and it's going to be the end of a crescent and probably a continuation down. I think it's likely just a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. So once it gets down, breaks these lows, it might turn back up, but that still should be a really amazing trade if that is what it does. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if you are a very short time frame trader trading below the 1 hour time frame, then you definitely could have been looking for longs over the last couple of weeks, pretty much ever since we broke structure way back here. There's definitely been some really nice long opportunities on around the 1 hour time frame and below for sure. And you could definitely still be looking for longs right now if you wanted to. I think I am personally still mostly waiting for this Fibonacci bounce. I'd like to see a nice big impulsive move down, a nice break of structure. I think once it does do that, that will confirm that this is an ABC correction, probably an ABC of 4, and probably back down again for that wave 5 like I was showing on the higher time frames. So like I said, if you're a short time frame trader, you could still be looking for logs. If you're more of a swing trader, then you're definitely keeping an eye out for that Fibonacci bounce break of structure to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.